In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a content summarizer with Firebase and n8n. By the end, you'll have a simple workflow that accepts text, generates a concise summary with an AI model, and is ready to plug into your app or tools. Start by opening your Firebase console and creating a new Firestore collection. Think of a collection as the place where your summarized content will live. Giving it a clear, memorable name now will make querying and organizing results much easier later. You don't need to add documents yet, just make sure the database is set up in production or test mode as you prefer. Next, in Firebase, go to Project Settings, then Service Accounts. Click Generate New Private Key and download the JSON file. This file contains credentials your automation will use to talk to Firebase. Store it securely, never commit it to a public repo, and restrict its access according to the principle of least privilege. Now switch to n8n and create a new workflow. We'll assemble it around two core pieces, a webhook trigger to receive content, and an OpenAI node to perform the summarization. This design keeps things modular so you can extend it later with logging or persistence. Add a webhook trigger node. Set the method to post. n8n will give you a unique URL. You'll send requests to this endpoint with the text you want summarized. During testing, you can use the test URL n8n provides. Once the workflow is active, use the production URL. In your request body, include a field name text. A simple JSON payload works great, and keeping the field name consistent ensures the rest of the workflow can reference it reliably. Add an OpenAI node for summarization and connect your OpenAI credentials. You can use a chat model or a summarization chain. Choose what's available in your account and appropriate for your usage tier. Keep token limits in mind if you plan to send long content. Set the prompt to summarize the following text in under 5 sentences. json.body.text. That template pulls the text field from the webhook's JSON body and hands it to the model in a clear instruction. Back in n8n's credentials section, create new Firebase credentials using the JSON service account file you downloaded from Firebase. If possible, load sensitive values via environment variables to avoid hard-coding secrets in the editor. Test your workflow by sending a post request to the webhook's test URL with sample text. In n8n, inspect the OpenAI node's output for a clean, concise summary. When you're satisfied, switch the webhook to production, activate the workflow, and you're ready to integrate this endpoint into your app, forms, or internal tools.